Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 12a, in which we will learn the letters Kaf and Qaf. Using a letter poem, we are learning the Makharij. Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, Dha, Dha, Ta, Da, Ta, Za, Sa, Sa, La, Na, Ra. From its middle are Ja, Sha, Ya, and we have learned Dot, and we will learn Kaf and Qaf. How do you say Ka? Oh, very simple. I don't have to say it. Ka. Let us focus on Qaf. Touch the inner part of the tongue to the roof of the mouth, right at the back behind the uvula. That is behind that small piece of flesh that hangs there, behind that. So you say Qa. Listen to it repeatedly and you can say it. Qa, Qa, Qa. Or Aq, Aq, Aq. Remember, if you go inside, it will be Kha. If you come outside, it will be Ka. Qaf is in between them. Inside is Kha, outside is Ka, and in between is Qa. Don't say it as Kha or Ka, and don't say it with low sound. Don't say it Qa. It is thick and high letter right here. So low, thick, thick and high. Very thick and high is Sa, Da, Ta, Da, but Qa is somewhere here. So repeat after me. Aq, Aq, Aq. Again. Aq. Qa, Qi, Qu. Qa, Qi, Qu. Again. Qa, Qi, Qu. Again. Qa, Qi, Qu. Qan, Qin, Qun. Qan, Qin, Qun. Qan, Qin, Qun. Qan, Qin, Qun. Let's take some words now. Aqrab, Aqrab, Aqrab. Again. Aqrab. Qala, 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 Qala. No, don't say it Khala or Kala or Qala. No. Qala. Next one. Qila, 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 Qila. Qul, 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 Qul. That's it, mashallah. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.